Today we're making a speed punching ball. Good for MMA, boxing, or just regular reflex practicing. Interested? Here we go.
This has got to be the easiest build I've ever done. All it involves is a tennis ball and a bungee lace-up kit. I'll have several options below where you can get these on Amazon for about $2 a piece. In the lace kit comes everything you need. 2 of these little clamps, the ends for the elastic, and then 2 4-foot laces. That will give you a total of 8 feet for this rig. To make the hole, I'm going to use this awl, go through, and then find the top, push it through like this, and that will blaze the trail for the needle. The simplest solution is using Paracord needle kit. I'll post this one down below. It was a really good deal, and I do a lot of things with Paracord, so it made sense to me. You take your piercing needle, it has the hole in it, run it through the bottom, find the top. You don't even need to put it in a needle. You could just push it through like this. And then all you have to do is extract this piece. There you go, just pull that out of the end. I'll show you a simple solution involving 2 paper clips, and you can use those to run through the ball. So here's the one paper clip that you've kind of folded over. If you're worried about this, you could obviously tape it, and then tape the cord on it and just weave the paper clip around like to just kind of keep it in place. Then as you move it through the ball, so now you got your 2 paper clips. You've got one is your lead. Nope, you just pull it through. And then untape it. Okay, now I'm going to take and make a water knot between the 2 laces. A water knot's a pretty simple thing. It's just an overhand knot. And then you take the one that has the ball on it and you just retrace the path following the knot all the way around till you get to the other side, and then just tighten it off. And you want to make that water knot as tight and as small as you can to give you the greatest distance towards 8 feet. I might play with that knot a little bit, but there you go, there's the water knot. And that's the hardest part of the build right there. I don't know how people get away with charging $15, $20 for this rig, because it's absolutely easier than heck to put together. Now you take the spring clamp here, and just very similar to the way I did my lacing video, you just run it through like this. Now, dealer's choice as far as whether you want to use these things or not. I mean, it comes with the kit. You can just easily run one on there, put a knot. So that way, when you run this up over a piece of gear or with a hook, that's not going to come off the other side no matter what. And then you set the tension on both ends with how much you can tighten it up. On this end, I just used a simple overhand knot, and it seems to be holding fine. On this end, I'm trying out a stopper knot, which is 2 loops, and then you run it through like this. From my old sailing days. Just makes a bigger knob to keep this from running through. And then just pull it tight. If you don't like that, you can certainly clip it off. Both ends are done. The ball is ready. Now it's time to test it out.
Here I am at the gym. I've set the top bungee.
And there's the ball, and then there's the bottom bungee.
So this is the setup. This bungee ball worked out great, and it's portable enough to take to the gym, outside, anywhere you want to go. So why spend more when you can make it yourself for much cheaper? Thumbs up and comments always appreciated. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for future builds.